Understanding local ecosystems, key species and their ecological roles, keystone species and their impact on biodiversity. Keystone species are organisms that have a disproportionately large effect on their environment relative to their abundance. They play a crucial role in maintaining the structure, stability, and diversity of an ecosystem. Without them, entire ecosystems can collapse or undergo significant changes. Examples of keystone species: wolves in Yellowstone National Park. Wolves control deer and elk populations, preventing overgrazing of vegetation, which allows other species to thrive. Sea otters in kelp forests. Sea otters eat sea urchins, which would otherwise destroy kelp forests. The kelp provides habitat for numerous marine organisms. Beavers as ecosystem engineers. Beavers build dams that create wetlands, benefiting fish, amphibians, birds, and plant life. Keystone species influence their ecosystems in various ways, such as regulating prey populations, preventing overpopulation and ensuring balanced food chains, creating and maintaining habitats, modifying the environment to support other species, enhancing biodiversity, providing conditions that allow a variety of species to thrive. When keystone species are removed, ecosystems can suffer from habitat destruction, species decline, or overpopulation of certain organisms. This disruption often leads to ecological imbalances such as deforestation, desertification, or the collapse of food chains. Predator-prey relationships and food webs. Predator-prey dynamics are essential for maintaining ecological balance. Predators regulate populations of prey species, preventing overgrazing and habitat degradation. Prey species, in turn, provide sustenance for predators, contributing to the flow of energy through an ecosystem. Examples of predator-prey relationships: lions and zebras. Lions control zebra populations, preventing overgrazing of grasslands. Hawks and mice. Hawks help regulate rodent populations, preventing them from becoming agricultural pests. Sharks and fish. Sharks remove sick and weak fish, keeping populations healthy and balanced. Predator-prey relationships are part of a larger food web, a complex system of interconnected food chains that demonstrate how energy moves through an ecosystem. Food webs consist of producers, autotrophs, plants, algae, and other organisms that produce their own food via photosynthesis. Primary consumers, herbivores, animals that eat plants such as deer, rabbits, and insects. Secondary consumers, carnivores, omnivores, animals that eat herbivores such as foxes, wolves, and birds of prey. Tertiary consumers, apex predators, top-level predators with no natural enemies such as bears, orcas, and eagles. Disruptions in predator-prey relationships can have cascading effects on ecosystems. If predators decline, prey populations may increase unchecked, leading to overgrazing and resource depletion. Conversely, if prey numbers drop drastically, predator populations may also decline due to a lack of food. The role of pollinators, decomposers, and primary producers. Pollinators. Pollinators, such as bees, butterflies, bats, and birds, are responsible for fertilizing plants by transferring pollen. They play a crucial role in plant reproduction, food production, and maintaining biodiversity. Approximately 75% of flowering plants and 35% of global food crops depend on pollinators. Threats to pollinators: habitat destruction, pesticide use, climate change, diseases affecting bee populations. Protecting pollinators through organic farming, habitat restoration, and reduced pesticide use is essential for global food security. Decomposers. Decomposers, such as fungi, bacteria, and certain insects, like earthworms and beetles, break down dead organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. They help decompose plant and animal remains, preventing waste accumulation. Enrich soil by returning essential nutrients for plant growth. Support the carbon and nitrogen cycles, which regulate climate and soil fertility. Without decomposers, ecosystems would be overwhelmed with dead matter, leading to nutrient depletion and plant decline. Primary producers. Primary producers, including plants, algae, and phytoplankton, form the base of the food chain by converting sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. They provide oxygen through photosynthesis, food for herbivores, which support higher trophic levels, carbon sequestration, helping to regulate climate. Healthy ecosystems depend on a balance between keystone species, predators, prey, pollinators, decomposers, and producers. Understanding their roles helps in conservation and sustainable land management.